Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are healthy, happy, and staying safe. Let us start with the new chapter, section 2, Adventure is a Way of Life. First, do you know what is the meaning of adventure? Adventure is an experience or event that is unusual, very exciting. It can be dangerous but enjoyable also at the same time. Okay, taking risk to enjoy the excitement. Okay, so adventure is a way of life. This is the story of two father and daughter duo, Ajit Bajaj and Diya Bajaj. Okay, they are travel or trekker. Okay, they are enthusiasts, traveling enthusiasts. They like trekking mountains. Okay, so this is the story about them. They reached the final summit of Mount Everest. Okay, so Gurgaon based Ajit Bajaj and daughter Diya Bajaj climbed 8,884 meters to become India's first father daughter duo to successfully reach the summit. Summit means the top of the mountain, the topest part of the mountain. Okay, the top of a mountain or highest peak of Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, on 16th of May 2018. It was Ajit Bajaj, a Padma Shri awardee. Padma Shri awards given to civilians on Republic Day. Okay, it is a kind of gallantry award. It was Ajit Bajaj, a Padma Shri awardee, and his daughter Diya's first attempt at climbing Mount Everest. And despite life-threatening challenge, life-threatening means it is used about a situation or injury or illness. Okay, when you consider about this, life threatening, that can kill somebody or capable of causing death. Okay, so taking the risk of their own life, they took a challenge, okay, to climb Mount Everest. Extreme weather condition and arduous nature of the climb. Okay, arduous means full of difficulties, needing a lot of effort. Okay, nature to climb. They came back home feeling wonderful and proud after completing, after reaching to the final summit. They came back home feeling very wonderful and very proud that they have achieved a new goal. Over a decade means a period of 10 years. Okay, over a decade ago, 53-year-old Ajit Bajaj, who runs a couple of adventure travel companies, okay, so that the companies sponsor traveling, adventure traveling, okay, to the people. So he runs a couple of adventure travel companies, became the first Indian to ski. Ski, what do you mean by ski? To move over snow on skis. Skis are the flat, narrow pieces of wood, okay, or metal or plastic, okay, that are fastened to your boots or shoes, okay, and are used for sliding over snow. Okay, you must have seen in various films. Okay, to ski to the North Pole and the South Pole within a year. His elder daughter Diya trained at Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarkashi before she undertook the 20-day Trans-Greenland skiing expedition in 2011. So she got trained at an institute, okay, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, that is in Uttarkashi, before she undertook that 20-day Trans-Greenland skiing expedition in 2011 when she was about the age of 17. She climbed Mount Elbrus, that is 5,642 meters, the highest mountain in Europe. She is now a graduate in environmental science. The daring, okay, daring, that is brave. The daring father and daughter spoke to ndtv.com on 24th of May 2018. Here are excerpts from the conversation. Excerpts means the short extract from some conversation or from some film, okay. A year-long training. Ajit: last year we decided to climb the Everest. Training was super fun. Okay, before climbing the Mount Everest, they trained themselves. Okay, and the training was super fun, great fun. We began by working out at a gym to get into really good shape. Okay, really good shape, taking care of their body, physically, and taking healthy food, etc., in order to become physically fit. So we began by working out at a gym to get into really good shape. We ran and swam together. Swam, the past form of swim. Okay, we ran and swam together. Then we did an expedition in Ladakh. Expedition means a long journey for a special purpose. So their special purpose was to climb Mount Everest. So they were training themselves. Okay, so for training they did certain expeditions to wherever places to train themselves fully, okay, to accommodate themselves to the situation that what they will face when they will go to Mount Everest for trekking, okay, for climbing. So in Ladakh at 20,500 feet in August, the idea was to get out and climb together as a father daughter team before the big climb. Okay, before the big climb, their idea was to climb together as a father daughter duo to Ladakh. Okay, then what Dia says, we did 3 more training expeditions. Okay, they were training themselves. So 3 more training expeditions. We went to Nepal in December. Met our Sherpa team, the member of Himalayan people who often guide people in mountains. Okay, sometimes carrying their bags, so they will help you during the mountaineering. Okay, we met our Sherpa team, bought equipments, okay, whatever they need while trekking, and went over the Renzola Pass. Renzola Pass, you can say it is in Nepal, Kathmandu, okay, a place for trekking, okay, and it is underrated trekking routes in Nepal. It is an adventure trek destination taking the tourists to the high mountains and glacier lakes. It is the place of trekking. We went back to Ladakh for a couple of weeks, stayed with the army, and were lucky to spot a narrow leopard. Sorry, lucky to spot a snow leopard. Leopard, big member of the cat family. Okay, Tendua, you have seen. Okay, Ajit. When we were confident about ourselves, we attempted the climb from Tibet on April 10 and planted the tricolor on Mount Everest on May 16. So they started their journey from Tibet, okay, on 10th of April, and they reached to the final summit and planted the tricolor, the flag, okay, on 16th of May. Adventure is a way of life. Okay, so now Ajit is saying, I was born in Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. My father introduced me to the outdoors. He took me out trekking in mountains. I attended a school in Himachal and went to Delhi's St. Stephen College, which had a strong outdoor club. Okay, outdoor club means outdoor recreation clubs that supports people for the outdoor activities. I started climbing, rafting, okay, river rafting you have seen with the boat. I started climbing, skiing, and eventually took up adventure sports professionally. Okay, so from the very childhood, he was into sports, adventurous sports, okay, outdoor activities. So he took that for his profession also. So now it is a hobby, passion. Okay, it is a hobby, it is a passion, and it is a profession rolled into one for me. I was lucky enough to introduce Dia early to the extreme outdoors. Okay, extreme outdoors means the same outdoor activities in the natural setting. Okay, out of the town that involves excitement and physical challenge. So, to the extreme outdoors, and she took it naturally. Then again, Dia. Ever since I was little, I have been outdoorsy. Okay, outdoorsy means fond of outdoor activities. Okay, I have been outdoorsy and sporty. I swam in the school nationals and have a black belt in taekwondo. I am lucky to have dad as my partner. We did cross country skiing on 2012, and I was the youngest person on the planet to ski across the Greenland ice cap, which is the second largest chunk of ice after Antarctica. Okay, the journey. So, now about the journey. We were both in good shape, but we were still apprehensive. Apprehensive means worried. Okay, still they were in worry, they were afraid that something unhappy or unpleasant event may happen. Okay, we had butterflies in the stomach. Okay, when we feel very nervous. Okay, butterflies in the stomach, fear of the unknown. Halfway through our journey, there was a huge storm one night. We were climbing on the steep snow slopes. It was extremely hard with the gusty winds. Very strong winds was blowing. Okay, blowing at 50 to 60 km per hour. We were worried that our tent would disintegrate or get blown away with us. A lot of negative thoughts crossed our minds. We did not think we would be able to go ahead that night. Okay, so that night very heavy wind was blowing. Okay, storm came, and they thought that they will be unable to complete this journey. Okay, so a lot of negative thoughts came, crossed our minds. We did think we would be able, we didn't think we would be able to go ahead that night. But luckily the next morning the wind died. Okay, the wind blowing of that hard or gusty wind stopped. Okay, died down, and things fell into place again. Everything became calm again. Dear, my mom was stressed out, but we kept in touch with her. Okay, they kept in touch with her continuously. She worries about us, but she has been our pillar of strength. Okay, that is she, a person who gives. Pillar of strength means a person who gives us support. Okay, so there were no issues with the mobile network. In fact, the signals were pretty good. I even FaceTime. FaceTime means video calling, okay, with my sister who is in Switzerland. Last night before the feed, before the feet, before reaching to the final summit. Okay, so Ajit, we didn't sleep much. It was really cold. The temperature were anywhere between minus 35 and minus 40 degrees Celsius. We continued climbing, and to our shock my oxygen mask malfunctioned. Okay, failed to function normally. Okay, it froze just an hour and a half below the summit. Okay, just an hour and a half before reaching to the summit. Okay, his mask, oxygen mask, failed to work normally. Okay, so it got froze. I couldn't breathe. Okay, he was unable to breathe at that point. Okay, so I was pushing myself hard. Dia couldn't have waited for me. She was climbing well, and it made no sense to make her wait. Dia, we were to do it together, but stopping at that point would have ruined my chances as well. Okay, but stopping at that point, she also would be unable to reach the final summit at the time they were expecting. Okay, so she kept on climbing. It was difficult call that we took, very difficult decision, but they took it, that Dia will still climb. Okay, so Ajit luckily, after some time, Ajit luckily found a spare mask and could resume climbing. Okay, spare means another mask that was kept in his bag. Okay, that was not used earlier, and he resumed climbing. I followed her up to the summit. I climbed as fast as I could to catch up with her. Dia reached the summit at 4:30 a.m. It was dark, but she was lucky enough to see the sun rise from the Everest. I reached 15 minutes after her. Okay, the mountain goddess was kind to us. So after reaching the final summit, okay, they became extremely emotional. Planting the national flag on the summit, okay, was a very special moment for both of us. First thought, so after reaching the final summit, their first thought was, Dia, it was a lot of relief. Okay, after completing their goal, their destination where they have to go, after completing that, okay, she felt a sense of relief. We had both done it. It was surreal. Surreal means more like a dream. That dream is coming into reality. Okay. It took a while for the feeling to sink in, but the minute it struck us that it was a long, treacherous way down. Okay. They went up because they have to go up. Okay, they had to reach the final summit. They went up, but after reaching to the top, when they thought of going back again, coming down again, okay, it was the very dangerous, it was very scary thought, clouded the happy high briefly. So yes, getting to the summit was a big high, but we soon realized that going up is optional. Okay, going up is optional. It is up to our decision. But coming down, after going up, coming down is mandatory. They have to come down. They can't live there, na? So they have to come down. It is mandatory. You must have to do that. Okay, so going up is optional, but coming down is mandatory. It was another ball game. Okay, another ball game means a completely different kind of situation. Okay, so first you thought of going up, they thought of going up, and when they reached up, another dangerous decision was to coming down, because they have to come down, and it was looking very scary. Okay, after reaching to the top, it was another ball game because you could see the scale of the drop and how narrow the path was and how dangerous it was going to be. We had to be really and really careful and focused for coming down. Okay, the path was very narrow. Okay, so they can't do any kind of mistake while returning. Homecoming. Okay, when they reach the home. Ajit, my wife, friends, a few other members, relatives, okay, came to Delhi airport to receive us. We reached our colony in Gurgaon in a coach that they had hired. We were surprised to see banners all over of their pictures. Banners was there all over. Okay, they the residents welcomed us at the front gate. Okay, neighbors, residents welcomed them at the front gate. There were garlands, dholwalas, and mithai. That's the great thing about our country. Okay, he's saying it is the great thing about our country. Everybody joins in, and it just made it so special. Okay, everybody joins in, everyone's celebration or everyone's sorrow. Okay, it is the great thing about our country. It is very touching and very emotional. So what's next? What's next after homecoming? Okay, after coming home, we were so exhausted, very tired. It will take time to adjust to the heat. Okay, so they were very tired and it will take time to adjust to the heat. Suddenly coming thrown from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius. So they have to adjust accordingly. It hits you so hard, but yes, there will be more adventures. Okay. We do have a bucket list and it features a mix of climbing and adventure sports. Bucket list means the list of things that you want to do before you die. Okay, so we do have a bucket list and it features a mix of climbing and adventure sport. Every person generally has a bucket list, okay, that they want to do in their life. Okay, so girl child, Dia, I have been really lucky because my parents have supported me in all my adventures. In our country, where adventure sports are usually associated with boys, not only adventure but generally sports in our country is associated with boys. So, to break that myth, okay,